Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another do-it-yourself maintenance video which is very helpful, and this is especially helpful for those who stay quite a long distance from service centers. ये वीडियो उनके लिए अच्छा होगा जो सर्विस सेंटर से काफ़ी दूर रहते हैं, और ये मैंने छोटा छोटा जो मेंटेनेंस वीडियो है वो एक एक करके हम बनाएंगे. उसका पहले पार्ट ये वाला है. तो today I will show you how to change your spark plugs in Tata Altroz. This procedure is same for your Tata Tigor, Tata Tiago, even Tata Nexon, because all are sharing the same engine and same specifications. For this I have procured NGK spark plug. Now if you visit NGK's website, there you won't find, maybe the website has changed now, you won't find the spark plug for Altroz, but you will find it for Tiago and Tigor. Since both the cars are sharing the same specification and engine, I have procured the spark plug that is specified for Tata Tiago or Tigor. This is K Spark and its model number is LKR7E. Remember, you should purchase this particular number for this NGK spark plug. Now there will be some questions why I am not going for iridium. Iridium won't increase in your performance of your engine. The only advantage that you will get, it will last longer, because you know copper is a better conductor of electricity than iridium. But why iridium is used in performance engines? It is used because they are, in order to make their tips last longer, there will be no increase in your performance. Remember that. So it's useless to spend for iridium plugs in a naturally aspirated, a moderately powered engine. In this car, in my Honda City, I require a iridium plug because that is an OEM specification. But here, this will serve the purpose. Now the tools that I have procured: an L handle, an extension, a spark plug Shocket. All the links will be in the description box if you are interested to purchase. A 10 mm Shocket with a ratchet and handle, and a half-inch hex drive ratchet. Now first will be to remove all the couplers. You should do it very carefully since these are all plastic couplers. So number 1, number 2 and number 3. Now the next step will be to release these coils. For this I will need a 10 mm Shocket. Release the coil. Now I will open the spark plug. This extension and see that it has perfectly seated in the plug. Now with the help of a L handle, I will gradually turn counterclockwise. We will also see the condition of the plug. The Tata Altroz has got 3 plugs only. It's a 3-cylinder engine. If you have a different engine setup, if it has 4-cylinder, you need to purchase 4 spark plugs. So I have removed the plug, and you see it has burned very efficiently. So there was no plug fouling in this particular case. Before I install a new plug, I will check the gap tool. Now you see Tata Altroz has a gap of 9 millimeter. So this is the 9 millimeter. Although they are factory, when they are sent, normally they remains within the specification, but still I will like to check the gap. Okay, it is between 8 and 9, so this is the perfect one. Now I will install it. I will apply a WD-40, remove the old plug. It was Champion make, and also measure the thread size. That is also very important while you are installing a new plug. Now fix it in your spark plug socket and reinstall the plug. और धीरे धीरे स्पार्क प्लग को हेड में इंस्टॉल कीजिए. ज़्यादा टाइट मत कीजिएगा. डू नॉट ओवर टाइटन योर प्लग. वंस यू फील it's not moving any further, because I don't have a torque range. So if you over tight, you will damage your spark plug threads. That is very important while you are installing a spark plug without a torque range. Okay, no more tightening is required. You see the plug has been fitted perfectly. Similar process will apply to all the plugs. Let me reinstall the coil. Do not over tighten. These are also all plastic parts. So installation of one plug is complete. There is the plug tip. So this plug is also in quite good condition. Number plug. Normally 3 years or 45,000 kilometers or 50,000 kilometers. Depends from company to company when your plug should be changed. In case of Tata Altroz, it is 3 years. Let us check the gap again.
ये तुम्हारा बहुत पुराना है.
वो जो मैंने पहले ये उस टाइम में खरीदे थे जब मेरा मारुति 800 था, उसी टाइम का है. इनफैक्ट I purchased this plug tool when I had a Maruti 800, but it's still surviving. It was Myco make. At those time, your Bosch was sold as Myco. Companies were not allowed, and majority share was held by the Indian public.
मारुति टाटा सबको एक ही जैसा है
ना. वो तो मेजरिंग टूल है, उसमें तो कार के लिए कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. दैट इज अ प्लग गैप मेजरिंग टूल. इट डजंट मैटर वेदर इट इज मारुति और टाटा. और
बस एकदम टाइट हो गया
था. Very carefully.
तो सॉकेट एकदम अटक गया. हो जाए. हो गया.
Now the final one. This is also in good condition. White होगा, अगर combustion ठीक रहेगा तो it will remain white.
না না আমি কি করছি বাবাকে আর এই বুড়ো বয়সে আমার শেখাবে বাবা বুড়ো হয়ে গেলাম
কবিরও তো বুড়ো হয়নি তো তুমি কি করে বুড়ো হয়ে যাবে
দুজনেই বুড়ো হয়ে গেলাম
ও কি সুন্দর গাড়ি চালায় অত বড় বড় গাড়িগুলো এই জগন্নাথের বৌমা
হ্যাঁ ওরা শিখে এসছে ছোটোবেলার থেকে হ্যাঁ তাই তো ঝিনুক দিয়েও গাড়ি চালাতে পারতো
পারতো
হ্যাঁ তুমি শিখিয়ে দিলে তো ঝিনুক দিয়ে পারতো
দূর
বলে আমার গাড়ির দফা রফা করে দেবো ওই বাড়ির বউটার মতো এরকম ধাবাস করে দিচ্ছে ওরম করে দিচ্ছে বলে
আমি তো ওপর থেকে দেখি
Confidence
গাড়িটা
আছে।
রাখে না
হ্যাঁ,
এখানে
হ্যাঁ।
ব্যাক করে এসে রাখে একবারে ওই আগু পিছু এসব করে না
একবার।
একবারে ওই আয়না দেখে একবারে
Plug has been fitted successfully. Now we'll start the car and check any noticeable difference or not. So I have started the car. The immediate thing that I notice that the engine is much less vibrating with this particular spark plug, and since it's a cold engine I won't rev this at this moment. I will give the car a spin and tell you what I felt about this. Now I will check through the acceleration. In the first gear there was a little bit of lag. That lag has minimized to a great extent. Now I have placed it in second gear. I will also check the acceleration here. Yes, one thing you may say that in a new plug you may get better. No, in fact when the car was new also and the plug was new, even after adjusting gap and cleaning those plugs, the performance was not like this. So the acceleration is quite smooth and good. Hesitation that was there, that has been minimized drastically. So I would definitely say you go for a NGK spark plug. NGKs are very renowned spark plug company, and most of the Japanese cars comes with NGK as OEM. Even in sports and all this, NGKs are most preferred plug. One thing I like to tell you, if you have iTurbo or Tata Nexon, you can go for the iridium. The advantage of iridium is, since in a high performance engine the plug tends to foul quicker, so in case of iridium tip the plug will last longer, but there won't be any performance increase with iridium. That is a misconception. I will check the third gear also. So you will have better combustion and better fuel economy also. Now let us check over here. Here I have got a flat stretch. So let us climb this bridge and I will check the full and final. And yes, really I am enjoying the drive. And that's it. So in this way how you change your spark plug, and this is very easy. Only one caution that I will tell you: if your car is under warranty or if you have taken any extended warranty, don't do this procedure, otherwise your warranty may be void, because these companies are very particular regarding any warranty replacement. and they will lead it to your particular spark plug replacement. That is funny, but these things are happening. So don't do it if it is under warranty or extended. अगर आपका कार extended warranty में है तो ये काम जरूर मत कीजिए, क्योंकि कार का कोई वारंटी इशू आएगा तो वो उसके साथ लिंक कर देगा. हम देखे हैं ऐसा सिचुएशंस, तो please keep it in mind. In this way you can easily change your spark plugs and it's very easy. Only caution, if it is under warranty or extended warranty, don't do it. And if you have any questions regarding this procedure, you are free to comment in the comment section below, or if any guide is necessary, I am always ready to help you. तो अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगे ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करना, और आपको कोई क्वेश्चंस है तो कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर क्वेश्चन करना. थैंक यू वेरी मच एंड गुड बाय, एंड प्लीज़ डू सब्सक्राइब.